Hello YouTube. Welcome to another episode of Boyd's Coins. Well, we're going to be doing a late night penny hunt. I checked the box, no enders of any importance anyway. I did get a 2017 Philadelphia, so at least I'm going to score at least one in this box. But yeah, this is going to be my therapy after a rough day at work, so let's get this hunt started. Alright guys, we just finished the 10th row. I have to show off the mascots. They brought me some incredible luck tonight.
They don't want to look at your booty, baby.
Oh, I see Kiki Gizmo. There's that cute little Gizmo. But anyway, on the find so far, I don't believe this. We just went through 10 rolls. We've already found 21 2017 Philadelphias. 1 2009 Birth and Early Childhood, and 3 Wheaties. Let's see, get the focus here or not. Yes, this is a 1941 Philadelphia. But these next two are going to blow your mind. We got one in the 30s. $1935 Denver. And this is already going to be the show, the star of the show, unless I can find something older than this, but I doubt it. We found a first year Lincoln penny. If we get the focus here right on it, it's a 1909. Else don't want to cooperate. Hold on a second, just. Well, there's the reverse on it. There we go. That's the reverse. Now let's flip over so we can I can show you the date. There you go. 1909 Philadelphia. Shame it was not a VDB. But we'll take this. But this is now officially the oldest penny I've ever found in a penny box, of being 111 years old. And the score is already all the way up to 62. So we done more than broke last week's box score. 40 rolls to go. Let's see if we can find some more oldies. Update after the 20th row. Well, we didn't find no wheat pennies, but we did find some few miscellaneous finds. We found a grand total of 5 Canadians. 1970. 1989. Whoa! 1964. Last year for the young kid, but this is the first one I've found in quite some time. That's a 5-point coin right there. Let's see. And turn it right. Another 1970. 1980. 1985. This is really poor, bad shape. But we found one from Bermuda. And I do believe, yes, this is going to be the first one of Bermuda coin I've ever found in a bank box. With the, yeah, it's got the little pig on the back. Yeah, 96. Here we go again with the 2017 Philadelphia's. Found 17 more. At this rate, yeah, we're definitely probably going to find well over a roll of these. And I found 3 more 2009s. Found a professional life, birth, early childhood, and I did manage to find the informative years. Now all I got to do now is just find the presidential. Then we'll get a 5-point bonus. Well, with all these finds, now we're all the way up to 97. Not quite through halfway through the box. Well, my record score for a penny box is 178. Well, let's take a stab of it and see if we can break it. Update after the roll 30. Found a pair of 2009 formative years. I'm still looking for the presidential for the 5-point bonus. Found 3 more Canadians in 1993, 1988, 1981. More 2017 Philadelphia's. This is starting to get ridiculous in this box. 20 more. So yeah, we've definitely went over a roll, full roll of these things so far. But every point helps. I did find a pair of wheat pennies. This makes wheat penny number 5. Found an old 1944 Philadelphia. Let's see, we got to focus on it. I believe this is going to be a 1944, I believe. Well, come on, cooperate phone. Yep. No, wrong. It's a 1940. So that put the score up to 135. So I'm going to need to score 42 more points and I'll break my record and hit 177. But if we keep on finding these Philadelphias, I know we can do it. I know I don't find this many Philadelphias in a box, but this is absolutely crazy. Well, 20 rolls left. Let's go. Quick update after roll number 40. We got some finds.
Boy, did we.
Well, it's rough, but it's a 2009 Perfect Early Childhood. I'm still looking for that presidential to get the 5 bonus. I found another Canadian in 1998. Well, only 13 2017 Philadelphia's this time. And 3 more wheats, guys. Oops. 1941 Philadelphia common date. Yeah, so we get the adjustments here. There we go. That's better. Oh, we found another one in the 30s. We found 1934 Philadelphia. But this is absolutely mind-boggling. Not only found one, I just found the second 1909 Philadelphia in the same box. That put the score up to 191, so we just shattered the record on the penny box. 10 rolls left. Yeah, we're going to hit 200 on this one, no problem. But I doubt it's going to happen, but then again, this box, anything's possible. We're going to find an Indian. Alright, this is going to be the last recap. Just finished this amazing box. Well, got another birth of early childhood 2009. Really bad shape, so no 5-point bonus like we really needed it tonight. I did find a pair of Canadians. This is a 1989, and this second one here in the middle coin. Let's see if we can get adjustments here. It's 95. Well, back in the Valley of Peas again. $20 more. So, yeah, we easily found well over 100 2017 Philadelphias in one single box. And we found 2 more wheat pennies. Both in the 40s. 1941. 41 Philadelphia. And a 1946. Philadelphia.
I'm surprised you didn't find any in the 50s.
I was about to say that too. But this box is strange though. This 46 is actually the youngest wheat penny I found in this whole box. And it found none in the 50s, so it was really strange.
You found the 41.
Well, anyway, it's time to round all this up. I'll give you the last recap. Alright, final results of this super box. Got a grand total of 10 foreigns. We got 9 Canadians total. And we did find that 1964 Young head. And it's 1 penny from Bermuda. 2009's. Found grand total 8 2009s. 4 1959s. And while I'm thinking about it, we did find some from the mid 70s, around back in the 60s. Really great shape, possibly gonna be upgrades for my albums. And for the wheat pennies, 40s, grand total is 6. 2 in the 30s. But the most wild and crazy part of this box, they've only found 1 1909. But we found a second 1909 as well. This was an absolutely amazing box. Final score on this box was 226, so this is definitely a record box. I'll probably never get anything near this again. But overall, the coin roll hunt's been great for me this week. Let's hope we keep its luck up, and I wish everybody in the coin community luck as well to find boxes and score like this. Hope you enjoyed tonight's video. Please hit the like, share, subscribe. Please leave a comment. And remember, every day's a treasure hunt.